All right, another typical exam style question. Peter wants to rent a car and he checks the rental costs at two rental companies, Company 1 and Company 2. And the graph below shows how cost and distance traveled work for each company, and Peter plans to drive 120 kilometers. So Peter's driving distance is right here. And what that means is if he chooses Company 1 versus Company 2, he'll have two different prices. The easy one to determine in this case is Company 2. Because for Company 2, we just have to read the step function. And so we have to find Peter's step. So at 120 kilometers driven, about halfway to Ottawa from Montreal. So we're going to come up here, up, 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 boom. Now notice it jumps to the open circle right above it. Well, remember, we want the closed circle for step function. So that's on Company 2, that's Peter's cost. And that cost is going to correspond to a cost of $60. So Peter, if he uses Company 2, is going to pay $60. Just read the graph. That's all you have to do. Company 1's a little trickier, and the reason is for Company 1, we come up here and boom, we're on this line function. Now, I don't know if you can make it out, but that's a straight line. And in order to answer that question, how much is it going to be? We know it's going to be more. It's certainly going to be more because it's above the 60. But exactly how much? Well, we got to calculate that, and that's from the equation of a line. So we're going to review our, really quickly, y is equal to ax plus b from linear functions. So 200, comma 80, and 0, 60 are my 2 points in that line. I'm going to go ahead and get my slope. A is equal to 80 minus 60 is 20 over 200. So A is equal to decimal or 0.10. So that's 10 cents per kilometer. And the initial value is right there at 0.60. We know it. That's the B for that straight line. Right there. So we have the equation y is equal to 0.10 x plus 60, and we know that the x is 120. So we're going to go y is equal to 0.10 times 120 plus 60. That's y is equal to 12 plus 60. So y is equal to 72. So what's the difference? 72 minus 60, we're looking there at a $12 difference. You can't just say 10, you can't estimate it off the graph for that linear function. You've got to calculate the linear function. The step part of this one, ironically, we're doing step functions here, is the easier one. You just got to read the graph.